if you guys are ever at a show and see Tank It Easy like rolling in, it is like watching like the tour bus roll in. Cases are rolling in with tanks and stands.
Never been to an Aquashella before, right when you enter, you go through this fantasy world of black-lit, kind of really cool artwork, and it reminds me of Avatar.
Brian, why don't you tell us a little bit about what and why you're doing?
Well, summits are great, but you don't want to dull the blades. I think there's some other stonier things that we're going to want to use.
I'm telling you right now, those Ginger Sisters are going down, and so is Show Tank. Aquashella's over!
You just saw Aquashella Chicago through the eyes of Tank It Easy. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, hit that like and subscribe button. If you'd like to see more Aquashella from years past, look above. The best is definitely yet to come. We will see you in Dallas, Aquashella Dallas, October 30th. Thanks for watching.